Hi everyone, my name is Pramod Wadki from Informatica Global Customer Support. Topic for today's presentation is monitoring with Micrometer in Product 360. Agenda for today's presentation is general monitoring approach using Micrometer followed by installation, configuration and operation of Kibana dashboard. Along with we will discuss about different metrics and dashboards available in Micrometer. Then we will have a quick demo on configuring Kibana dashboards in P360 using Micrometer. Then we will see the best practices and recommendation. The Product 360 server exposes several metrics leveraging the Micrometer library. Below are the monitoring systems supported by the Product 360. For example, CloudWatch, Graphite, New Relic, Dynatrace, Elastic, Prometheus. To configure the monitoring system in P360, we have to use micrometer.properties file located in server configuration HPM folder of server installation package. The application server needs to be restarted in order to have changes take effect. Let's see how to install configure the Kibana dashboard in Product 360. The monitoring dashboards are available as out-of-the-box visualization in JSON format. We can directly import it in the Kibana UI as a JSON format. The JSON file and reference configurations can be found in the accelerator package. Once downloaded, extract the zip to folder which looks like below. To configure the Micrometer, there are two configurations available. One is Elasticsearch configuration and metrics configuration. Elasticsearch configuration can be done in the micrometer.properties file of corresponding application server. Below are the properties for Elasticsearch configuration. For example, elastic.enabled equal to true, elastic.hostname equal to hostname of the Elasticsearch server, followed by username and password of Elasticsearch server, etc. In Micrometer configuration, we have to make sure to set the system.name property in the server.properties file, as it is used in the abstract tag and also used as a prefix for full text search index name. The metrics configuration is possible in the log4j2.xml file of application server. Scroll to the metrics section in log4j2.xml and replace the existing configuration with the below given configuration. The Micrometer metrics can be enabled completely or for specific subcategories. For example, enabling metrics.database tables.jobs subcategory and disabling the parent metrics.database tables metrics category will disable all the database table metrics except for database table job metrics. So to import the visualizations in Kibana dashboard, so once the P360 server configurations are complete, the Kibana JSON objects for setting, index pattern, visualization and dashboard will be imported. For this, you have to open the Kibana dashboard, management saved object page, and then import the JSON object, that is P360 Micrometer Kibana dashboard config directory in the following order, that is advanced settings, Kibana index, Kibana visualization and Kibana dashboards. Once the above objects are successfully imported, ensure the following settings are enabled in the Kibana management advanced setting. That is the default index name, which we have configured in the micrometer.properties, index pattern placeholder, store URLs in the session storage as on, and has the maximum bucket of 20,000. The P360 Kibana dashboard should be available under Kibana dashboards. The P360 Micrometer based monitoring is achieved through following three Kibana dashboard, that is P360 application metrics, P360 system metrics, P360 system metrics in advanced. So P360 application metrics is used by the business administration to monitor and track the relevant statistics, and P360 server metrics that a system administrator can use to monitor and track the relevant statistics. The low level P360 server metrics that a system administrator could use to monitor and track the relevant statistics is extended P360 metrics. So in order to use the dashboard efficiently, the following global filters are provided that will filter all the metrics against the selections of the filter, that is application stack, application server, entity type, entity, database, message type. So application stack filter allows to use the P360 installation within the same Elasticsearch index. The default metric tag is abstract. Similarly, the application server filter allows to use a multiple P360 application servers within the same Elasticsearch index. All the metrics will be filtered against the selection of this filter, and the metric tag used as app ID. The entity type filters allow filtering the metrics regarding their corresponding repository entity type, that is article type entities, and the metric tag used as entity type. The entity filter allows filtering the metrics regarding their corresponding repository entities, for example article metrics, and the metric tag is used as entity. So for the database filter allows filtering of metrics regarding any kind of database activity, that is active connection pools, and the metric tag is used as pool. The message type filters allows filtering of communication framework for specific messages, that is the amount and duration of each client which request data from database. The default metric tag is used as message type. Now we will see a quick demo on how to configure the Kibana dashboard using out-of-the-box JSON file. To configure the Kibana dashboard, you need to set the micrometer.properties file, which is available in the server configuration HPM folder. So here you need to set the Elasticsearch setting as elastic.enable to true, elastic.host to the host name, then elastic.index to the default index, etc. Then go to the accelerator package where you can see the default recommended log4j2 micrometer.xml, which contains the recommended log4j2 matrices, which needs to be copied and paste it in the server log4j2.xml file. So once these matrices are copied, restart the application server. Once the server is restarted, log into the browser and hit the Kibana UI. So in Kibana UI, go to the management section, go to saved objects, where you need to import the 4 JSON files. So you need to import these 4 JSON file in particular order, that is advanced settings, index, visualization, and dashboard. So upon completion of importing these JSON files, go to the advanced setting and have the default index to P360 metrics. Then have the index pattern placeholder to P360 underscore metrics hyphen star. Maximum bucket can be set to 20,000. So currently I have set it to 1 lakh. Now go to the dashboards, where you can see the 3 dashboards available, that is application metrics, system metrics extended. Now for a business administration can monitor and track the relevant statistics in the application metrics like job framework metrics, data quality metrics, service API metrics, etc. Similarly, system metrics, in system metrics, the system administrator can monitor and track the relevant statistics like the CPU usage, memory usage, etc. For optimal usage of Micrometer metrics and the Kibana dashboard, the following best practices and recommendations are made. That is, ensure that the elastic.step in micrometer.properties is not less than 1 minute. This setting controls the frequency with which the metrics are stored in the Elasticsearch index. A too short interval could lead to the increased Elasticsearch index sizes. The System metrics extended gives access to low-level monitoring of caches, Hibernate, etc. These metrics are disabled by default to prevent the excessive Elasticsearch index sizes and performance issues. These metrics should be enabled primarily for debugging purposes. When querying the statistics for a time range over multiple days, ensure that the maximum bucket size in the Kibana is set to the higher number, that is greater than 20,000. Please refer to the accelerator document for more information. We would love to hear your feedback through support videos @informatica.com and Informatica Twitter handle. Thank you.